Terry's reading assignment. There are two good ways to use reasoning to solve this question, and I have another video which I'll link to in the corner where I explain one way to solve this. In this video, we'll focus on the weighted average approach to solving this question. So in this case, we know the overall average, or the overall ratio of number of pages per day for Terry is 90, but we know that there was, on the one hand, a period of time with 75 pages per day, and on the other hand, 690 pages in 6 days, which translates into a ratio of 115 pages per day. So we have a number line going from 75 to 115, and we can place 90 where it belongs on that number line. So that would be 15 units to the right of 75 and 25 units to the left of 115. So those distances of 15 and 25 translate into a ratio of 3 to 5 or 5 to 3. And we can tell from this number line that Terry must have spent more time at 75 pages per day than Terry spent at 115 pages per day. How do I know? Because 90 is closer to 75 than it is to 115. Now, how much more time did Terry spend at 75 pages per day? Well, the ratio of times spent would be 5 to 3 for a total of 8 ratio units. Now, we know exactly how much time Terry did spend in reality at 115 pages per day. That was 6 days. So if 3 ratio units are 6 days, then 8 ratio units would be 16 days because the scale factor there is 2. So the question wants to know how many days in total did Terry have for this assignment, and the answer is 16 days. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.